In this video, I am going to show everything you need to know about if-else and if-else-if statements in SAS. To show the examples, I have created dataset students which contains 4 variables: name, science marks, English marks and total marks. I have written the code already to save our time. First is if statement. If statement is used for subsetting the dataset. Suppose we want to store all the information of students who have total marks more than 100. Then the code will be data1, any new dataset name you can give here, set students, total marks. If total marks greater than 100, run. It will store all the information of students who have total marks greater than 100, like this. Total marks greater than 100 only. Next is if then delete statement. If we want to delete observations based on the condition, then we will use if then delete statement. Suppose we want to delete missing values in name variable and store the results in new dataset. Then the code will be data2 set students, if name is equal to blank, then delete and run. Because name is character variable, I have used inverted comma here. And in character variable, the missing value is denoted as blank. If the variable was numerical, there won't be inverted comma, and instead of blank there will be dot, as missing value in numerical variable is denoted as dot. Hence we can see here, when we run it, we can see we have deleted the missing value observation and stored the data set and stored all the data in dataset name 2. Next is if then else statement. Using if then else statement, we can create a new variable or make changes in existing variable based on condition. Example, suppose we want to give remark to the students who have total marks more than 90 as good and students who have total marks less than 90 as bad. Then the code will be data3 set student, if total marks greater than 90, then remark is equal to good, else remark is equal to bad. When we run it, we get the dataset 3, which contain new variable called remarks. Hence we can see in the dataset name 3, the new variable is created called remark with good and bad values for marks more than 90 and marks less than 90 respectively. But if there are more than 2 conditions, then we will use if then else if statement. Suppose we want to give remark to the students who have total marks more than 90 as good, students who have total marks less than 90 as bad, and the students who have total marks is equal to 90 as okay. Then the code will be data4 set students, if total marks greater than 90, then remark is equal to good. Else if total marks is less than 90, then remark is equal to bad. Else if total marks is equal to 90, then the remark is equal to okay. When we run it, yes, like this. As we can see in this data set, we have created remark variable using if else if statement, where students who have total marks more than 90 are remarked as good. Students who have total marks less than 90 are remarked as bad, and the student who have total marks is equal to 90 are remarked as okay.